your ear go stand. You sef go laugh out loud. Because why? Nothing better pass na your health.
E get one popular actress for those days. Her name na Joan Crawford. And she talk, I go quote am for English, then I go talk am for Pidgin. She talk, say, I think that the most beautiful thing anybody can have, apart from talent, na good hair. Yes, so the most beautiful thing where you fit get, apart from talent, na better hair. You agree? And some people talk, say, the hair na the glory of a woman. Unto say, it dey make us the woman they fine, or they make am dey wowo, depending on wetin she carry for hair. Welcome to Na Your Health, the #1 show where we dey make your body dey kajad because of the better songs where we dey give una, the gist where we dey give una for this place. On top that one, we dey teach una some kind lifestyle things. My name na Dr. Adora, and you know now, make I do am as she dey do am for me. I know they ever waka alone, I dey carry one sempelicious, fine body, everything, bebes, they waka with me for this show.
Yes, so this is your Naija half-caste Luchi Enobong. Àlàáfíà náà lẹ wà o, ẹ káàbọ̀. Ṣé dáadáa náà la ti ń dé o. Wazobia TV náà lẹ ń wò o. Mercy ere. Idemfo. Yes, so you know say as a Naija half-caste, I got to greet you in different ways. Igbo, I know they carry last. Yoruba, I follow self. Hausa, I understand. Tia, even Akwa Ibom, all that one I enjoy full ground. This hair loss, what they talk about, so you know, say, me, I don't experience them. You don't experience them. You don't get somebody or anybody where you know don't experience this hair loss. That's not hair where they fall come off from our body. Any part of our body where they fall from. And they even talk, say, na man, now they gather, they get hair loss past woman based on barrenness where they get. But another one still there, and this one make it not too confusing because now the other way around. They talk say na woman, now they suffer hair, make it a thin, make it a shrink, make it a diffuse, dissolve, totally come up from woman hair. They say na woman they experience and pass. But you know, say different things the way if you cause this hair loss from body. If it be small thing, if it be say maybe one vitamin that you supposed to take, you know they take them, now make the hair they lost. If it be that small one, go reach one big heavy gbege with a health condition. All of this one, now if it cause hair loss for top of our body.
Yes, so now hair loss matter we dey talk as hair they take come off for your body. And like my sister just talk now, you get plenty things where they cause them. This now all the things we want bring come for your domot on top now your health today. On top that one, we can carry you go one of our guest hairstylists. Yes, so our in-house hairstylist actually where they for this place where they help us they make look beautiful for here. Yes, she go send you now some of the health tips where you supposed do things where you go do we go make your hair day better. From there we go waka go our Omali channel course make you know some of the food where you go chop make your hair day fine. Yes, so but you know as we they do them now your ear go first stand make you no go anywhere we they come back.
No go anywhere. Na Your Health will soon return.